So today I will be discussing and telling you about how to get to know yourself even more with the help of your birth chart. Okay, so there are two different things that I'll link down below, and I also let you know using numerology how you can find out your behavior. Okay, so while taking birth, you definitely choose, or your soul definitely choose one of the zodiac sign in which they see that there is development, or there he can see that soul can grow even more stronger. So for example, if I'm a Piscean, okay, so Piscean have a particular number of behaviors that they embrace when they are like, if I am a Pisces ascendant, there are many things and many qualities that I came with. Okay, so these qualities have some strong points of these particular zodiac sign as well as some weak points. So main intention behind particular, like taking birth in particular zodiac sign, is to get to know your weaknesses and try to work on them to help yourself and help your soul to grow spiritually, mentally, on every plane. So let's get into it right away. So the first thing is, I found out my moon sign or sun sign. You can use there are n number of different websites which offers you the whole birth chart, so you can find it out over Google. Just type that calculate birth chart. Okay, once you do that, you have to enter your name, the full name, your birth timing, your birthplace, and yeah, those are the three important things that you need to know about yourself. So even if you don't know about your exact birth time, that it's fine. There's one blog given where there is you need to take that unknown birth time, so that is also fine if you don't know exact time of your birth. So once you fill in all of these informations in that particular website, you'll get the whole big chart. I'll show you in the screen. So this is how you can look. These are the actual chart of your birth. There are many houses, like 1st to 12 houses, and different houses represent the different factors and denominators of your life, like relationship, then your house for financial and career abundance. So there are different houses which have different meanings and purpose. Okay, so this is very in-depth chart that you don't need to check, but if you are interested, definitely go through each and every signs, each and every planet and planetary alignment in that particular birth chart of yours. So once you get to know all of these particular things, that where is your Uranus, where is your Jupiter, where is your Venus, okay, in which house, that represent your quality and your weaknesses and strong points, that where do you need to work more on yourself. Okay, so that's how you can, first method is, that's how you can just get to know about yourself, that how you have born, like with which qualities you have been born over here and which you can take advantage from. Okay, second most important thing is struggles. So basically all of us goes through many struggles in our life, so we don't get to know like why am I following certain pattern in my life, be it separation, be it breakups, be it financial constraints. Okay, so these things also you can find it out with the help of using your birth chart. So once you use that birth chart, you can search where your financial house is and which planet is the ruler of that particular house. So this is how you can find out. So every planet in your chart can represent certain behaviors. Venus represents the love and relationships. So wherever Venus is in your particular chart, in which house, that will be the house ruled by Venus, and there will be the more behavior and characteristics of that particular planet. Okay, so this is how you can find out your weaknesses and strong points with using your birth chart. So now I would like to tell you why you need to do this. So when I started with my spiritual journey, I have found out so many different things about myself with you, like with the help of all of these birth charts, birth number, numerology, and your zodiac sign. Okay, so your zodiac sign represents your soul purpose, your like actual purpose of being or taking birth as you. Okay, especially you. So you will get to know about yourself. Also, the second important thing that you will get from all of like analyzing your birth charts and analyzing all of these things, that you can overcome some of the bad and negative patterns that are repetitively happening in your life. And how you can do that, that you can analyze each and every houses of yours and ruling planets, and then you can see that what are the lower vibrational emotion attached to that ruling planet and higher vibrational behaviors that are associated with that particular ruling planet. Now, once you know about the lower vibrational emotion that are attached to that planet or ruling planet of that particular house, you can now work on yourself that for getting out of that particular pattern in your life will only help you through these things, like meditation or following spiritual practice, following some of the things that will make you happy, that will keep you in high vibration. But at least you will get the idea why you are going through certain struggles. Okay, so there are many struggles related to that particular birth chart or that particular zodiac sign. For example, let's take an example for Pisces. Like Pisces is water sign. Piscean ascendant people are dreamy, are imaginative, are creative, but they lose the control over earthly planes. Like they are not very good at logical thinking. They are not very good at taking all the decisions using their mind. So most of the times, even I am a Pisces ascendant, so most of the time I take all the decision what feels right to me, what feels good to me. So I don't get into logical things in those particular area, because that's how my zodiac sign is. That's how I am connected to that zodiac sign, and that's how I embrace all of those energies. There's nothing wrong in that, but you need to have a balance between both of these sides, as we are living in the world of duality. So you always need to balance out your energies, the inner world and the outer world. So it is very necessary to know yourself, and you can get to know yourself even more better when you can find out your birth chart, your ruling planets, and your different houses where these ruling planets are. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'll see you in next video. Till that time,